Hello student. In previous class we start chapter number 7 which is cubes and cube roots. In that today we solve exercise 7.1. 7.1 in that first question. Which of the following numbers are not perfect cube numbers? Means given numbers, 5 numbers are there, you just check they are perfect cube or not. Okay. How to check that one? Look. In question number 1, in that first one, that is 216. Okay, now you just check they are perfect cube or not. Perfect cube means power is 3, means each factors comes 3 times. Okay, so you just check all the factors are 3 times or not. So for that one you just find the prime factors of that number. Okay, 216, 2 108, again 2 54, then 2 27, 3 9 3 3 and 3 1 okay. So 216 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Look, now make group of threes. So here 2 cube means 2 is 3 times, so 2 cube and 3 cube means both numbers, both factors are 3 times. Okay, so here all factors are 3 times, so 216 is a perfect cube number. Okay, second one 128. Okay, just factorize same 128, 2 64 again 2 32 then 2 16 again 2 8 2 4 2 2 and 2 1 okay. So 128 equal to 2 into 2, how many time? That is 7 time. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, now make group of threes. So 128 equal to 2 in raised to 3, 2 raised to 3 and 2. Okay, here 2 time 2 is in a group of 3, but 1 time group of 2 factors 2 is only 1 time. Okay, so here factor 2 is only 1 time. That means group of 2 is not there. So 128 is not a perfect cube number. Okay, now third one, that is 1000. Again factorize that 1000. 2 500 2 250 2 125 5 25 5 5 and 5 1 okay. So 1000 equal to, just write down all factors here, otherwise make pair of group of 3 here. So 2 is 3 times and 5 is 3, means all factors are 3 times. Okay, all factors are 3 times. So 1000 is a perfect cube number. Okay, next fourth one, that is 100. Factorize 100. 250 225 5 5 and 5 1 so 100 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Okay, so here group of 2 and 5 both are not there. Okay, so here factors 2 and 5 are only 2 times. So 100 is not a perfect cube number. Okay. Next one, fifth one, that is 46656. Factorize that one. 46656. First we factor with 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 8. Again 2, 1, 2 1s are 6 are 6 are and 4s are. Again 2s are 5 2s are 10, 8 2s are 3 2s are and 2 2s are. Again 2s are 2 2s are 4, 9 2s are 18, 1s are and 6 are. Again 2s are 1, 3 2s are 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10 and 8s are. Again 2s are 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4 and 9. Okay. Now 3s are 3 2s are 6. Now 4s are and 3 3s are. Again 3, 8 and 1. Then 3, 27. Then 3, 9s are. Then 3, 3s are and 3 1s are. Okay. So 4 6 6 5 6 equal to, make pair of 3s here, 3 3 3 and 3, means all factors are 3 times. 2 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 3 cube. Okay. So here you just write down all factors are 3 times. So 4 6 6 5 6 is a perfect cube number. Okay. Now question number 2. Look, second number question is there. Find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be multiplied to obtain perfect cube number. Means given numbers are not a perfect cube numbers. They are not a perfect cube number. So by which smallest number you just multiply to get perfect cube number. Okay. First one, that is 242. For that, what to do? You just factorize that one first. Okay. 3s are 81. Again 3s are 27. Then 3s are 9. 3 3s are and 3 1s are. So 243 equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now make group of 3s here. Okay. So 243 equal to 3 cube into 3 and 3. Here 3 is only 2 times and we need 3 times. So what to do? We just one more time take 3. Multiply that one. Same to the left side. Multiply with 3. Okay. So 243 into 3 equal to 3 cube into, now that is 3 times. So that is also in a cube form. Okay. Means all factors are in cube form, means that is converted into cube number. So multiply 243 with this number 3. 243 with 3 to get perfect cube number. Okay. Second one, that is 256. Same here, factorize that one. 256. 2 1s are, then 2s are and 8s are. Again 2 64s are. Again 2 32s are. Again 2 16s are. Again 2 8s are. Again 2 4s are. Then 2 2s are and 2 1s are. Okay. So 256 equal to, how many times 2 is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 2 2 2 2 and 2. Make group of 3. So 256 equal to 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 and 2. Here 2 is only 2 times and we need 3 times. So multiply, take one more time 2 here. Same, multiply with 2. So 256 into 2, this one, equal to 2 cube, and that is now in cube form. Okay. So multiply 256 with 2. 256 with 2 to get perfect cube number. Okay. Same for third one, 72. Just factorize that one. Look, 72, 2s are 36, again 2s are 18, 2s are 9, 3s are 3, and 3s are 1. So 72 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Here 2 is 3 times, but 3 is only 2 times, and we need 3 times. So what to do? Multiply with 3 here. Same, multiply with 3 here. So 72 into 3 equal to now 2 cube, and 3 is also in a cube form. Multiply with 3. So multiplied 72 with 3 to get perfect cube number. Okay. Next number is 675. Number 4, that is 675. Okay. Same, you just factorize that one. 675. Find the prime factors of that one. With 2 is not possible, so 3, 2s are 2s are, and 5s are. Again 3, 73s are, and 5s are. Then 3, 25s are. 5, 5s are, and 5, 1s are. Okay. So 675 equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. 3, make group of 3 equal to 3 cube into 5 into 5. 5 is only 2 times, so we need 3 times. So take one more time 5. Same here, take one more time 5. Okay. So 675 into 5 equal to, now that is in cube form because all are 3 times. So multiply 675 with 5 to get perfect cube number. Okay. And fifth one, that is 100, and factors of 100, 2 50s are 2, 25s are 5, 5 and 5 1s are. So 100 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Look, here both are only 2 times. Both are only 2 times. So what to do? Just multiply. Take both number one time. 2 into 2. We need 2 3 times. So one more time you just take 2. Same here. 5 and 5. We need 3 times. So take one more time 5. Means we need all factors 3 times, and all are only 2 times. Both are only 2 times. So multiply both number, means take both number one time. Same here with 2 and 5. Same here 2, and this one is 5. So 100 into, now 5 2s are 10. Multiply that one. 10 equal to 2 is 3 times, means 2 cube. 5 is 3 times, 5 cube. That means multiply 100 with 10 to get perfect cube number. Okay. So today we complete question number 1 and 2. Just complete 1 and 2 in your notebook. Okay. Question number 3 and 4 we solve in next period. Okay. Thank you.